Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rekha Chabra, your maths teacher. Students, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe this channel, Learn Mathematics. And keep watching these videos on the regular basis. In the last video, we discussed few questions of exercise 1.5 and they were based on complement of a set. So today also we are going to continue the same exercise and will discuss few more questions. Let's take question number 4. Here universal set is given and set in A and B are also given. We have to prove this. If you remember, this is De Morgan's law that we discussed in last two videos. So let's talk about left hand side first of all. We have to prove this De Morgan's law by using these sets. So A union B. Union, if you remember, this is combination of two sets and then we will find out its complement. How we calculate the complement? Universal set minus this set. So 1 and 9, these two elements are there in this set. Now let's come to right hand side. First of all we will calculate A complement, that is U minus A. Then same way B complement, U minus B, and then we'll take their intersection. Intersection means common elements. And here also we are getting 1 and 9, so it is verified. Second part, I would request you to please try yourself exactly similar type of question. Now fifth question, here we have to draw appropriate Venn diagrams. Let's talk about first part, A union B whole complement. First of all, let's draw two sets A and B and we have to take their union. Union means this blue region, the combination of A and B. But now we have to take its complement, that is all region except A union B. It means this outside area is A union B whole complement. Second part, A complement intersection B complement. So first of all, for understanding purpose, let's make set A and universal set, set B and this universal set. Now we have to take their complements. So complement means we have to leave this set A and this outside area we have to include. So it means this green region is representing A complement. Here this orange region is representing B complement. But now we have to merge these two diagrams. So when we will merge, it means we have to exclude this A and B and we have to consider this outside area, and this is representing A complement intersection B complement. This shaded portion is the required portion. Now let's talk about question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in the plane. U means universal set. So universal set is the set of all triangles. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60, A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60. At least one angle should be different than 60 degree. Then what is A complement? Definitely A complement will be the set of all the triangles with no angle different from 60 degree. That is the set of all three angles 60 degree. What is the name of the triangle where we have all three angles 60 degree? Yes, that is equilateral triangle. So basically it is equal to set of all equilateral triangles. So the complement of the given set where they are saying set of triangles with at least one angle different from 60. So the complement is set of all triangles where all three angles are equal to 60. So means equilateral triangles. Now question number 7, we have to fill in the blank to make the statement true. Phi complement intersection A. We know very well phi means empty set. So phi complement, how we find the complement of any set, that is universal set minus phi. Universal set minus phi. Phi means empty set. So universal set minus empty set means nothing, so that is equal to universal set only. The same way you do 4 minus 0, so 4 minus 0 means 4 minus nothing, so that is 4 only. So here universal set minus empty set means universal set only. So phi complement is equal to universal set. Now what we have to find? Phi complement intersection A. Phi complement intersection A, we have just calculated phi complement is U. So universal set intersection set A means what is common in universal and set A. So definitely set A is common. If we look at this figure, so it will be much easy to understand. This rectangular region is representing universal set and this is set A. Now you can observe easily in these two sets which area is common. Definitely this area, this blue region is common. So intersection also mean the common region, the common elements. So set A is the common region. So here in the blank it will come as set A. Now third part, A intersection A complement. This blue region is set A and this maroon region is A complement. What is common in these two regions? There is nothing common. So answer is 5. So that's all for today, students. I hope you must have understood these questions. Now I would request you to please do the remaining questions yourself. Thank you very much.